Imagine a building so tall it seems to touch the sky, a symbol of economic power and architectural brilliance. This was the South Tower of the World Trade Center in New York City, standing at an impressive 1,362 feet tall. From its inception in 1966 to its tragic end in 2001, the South Tower has etched itself into the annals of world history. The South Tower's story begins in 1966, when construction started as part of a project to revitalize Lower Manhattan. This project was known as the World Trade Center, a complex designed to house government offices and private businesses. The South Tower, officially called 2 World Trade Center, was the second tallest building in the world when completed in 1973, a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. However, the South Tower's existence wasn't without its controversies. It faced criticism for its modernist design and the displacement of local businesses during its construction. Yet it stood firm as an icon of New York City, its twin peaks dominating the skyline. Then came the fateful day of September 11th, 2001. The South Tower became a target in the deadliest terrorist attack on US soil. Struck by United Airlines Flight 175, the South Tower collapsed less than 2 hours later, resulting in an unimaginable loss of life and leaving a void in the heart of New York City. In the aftermath of the attack, the site where the South Tower once stood has been transformed into the 9/11 Memorial and Museum. Today, where the South Tower loomed, now stands the beautiful memorial, a testament to the resilience and strength of the human spirit. So what have we learned from the South Tower's story? It is a tale of ambition, controversy, tragedy, and ultimately resilience. The South Tower, in its short existence, bore witness to significant periods in history, becoming more than just a building, but a symbol of the times it lived through. Its story, like all history, serves as a lesson and a reminder of our past, guiding us as we step into the future.